Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I knit patches to repair my knits. We are going to knit the patch right onto our knitting, which is why this is my favorite method to make a patch. To start, I have made a small hole that we are now going to fix. First, you want to look at the stitches around the hole that are still intact. To be on the safe side, I like to keep a distance of 2 to 3 rows or stitches around the damaged stitches. Now pick up the right leg of the stitch that is 2 rows below and 2 stitches to the right of the hole. Continue picking up the right leg of the neighboring stitches until you are 2 stitches left of the hole. Now take a stitch marker and find the stitch that is 1 row above and 1 stitch to the left of your last stitch. Mark the right leg of that stitch. On the other side, find the stitch that is 2 rows above and 1 stitch to the right of the first stitch. Take a marker and mark the left leg of that stitch. We will use these markers as a border to make sure that the sides of the patch will be straight. Now take a strand of yarn that is long enough to knit the entire patch with. Attach the yarn and knit across the stitches on the needle. Next, take a tapestry needle and thread the yarn through. Insert the needle from left to right into the left leg on the right side of the marker and pull the yarn through. We leave the yarn end in the tapestry needle because we are going to repeat this at the end of each row. Now turn and purl across the stitches on the needle. Turn and move the left marker 2 rows up before you continue. Insert the tapestry needle from right to left into the right leg on the left side of the marker and pull the yarn through. Knit across the stitches on the needle. Move the right marker 2 rows up. Insert the tapestry needle from left to right into the left leg on the right side of the marker and pull the yarn through. Turn and purl across the stitches on the needle. Turn and move the left marker 2 rows up. Insert the tapestry needle from right to left into the right leg on the left side of the marker and pull the yarn through. Continue like that until you have worked enough rows to cover the hole. Your last row should be a wrong side row. We are now back at the beginning of the right side row, and all that's left to do is attach the top of the patch to the knitting using the Kitchener stitch. First, I remove the left marker. Now insert the tapestry needle from right to left into the right leg on the left side of the marker and pull the yarn through. Remove the marker. Start with the stitch that you just pulled the yarn through and pick up the left leg. I pick up the right leg here, but picking up the left leg will actually make the patch straighter. Pick up the left legs of the neighboring stitches until you have picked up as many stitches as you have on your other needle. Now use the Kitchener stitch to close the gap between the two needles. If you're looking for a detailed tutorial of the Kitchener stitch, I will link to a video about that in the video description below. Now sew in the ends and your patch is done. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.